So in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract the square root of any number. For that you need to know the binomial expansion. It basically states the x plus y whole to the power n is x to the n plus n times x to the n minus 1 times y plus n times n minus 1 times x power n minus 2 times y squared over 2 factorial plus n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 over 3 factorial times x power n minus 3 times y cubed, and so on till y power n. So now we know that we can extract the square root of any number. For example, square root of 3. Now square root of 3 can be written as square root of 4 minus square root of 1. Now if we pull the 4 out, or we take the 4 into common, we get square root of 4 times 1 minus 1 over 4. Now the 4 comes out and becomes 2 times root of 1 minus 1 to the 4. 1 minus 1 over 4th. And this can be written as 2 times 1 minus 1 over 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now, if we plug in this expression in this formula, we can actually calculate root 3 value by calculating its value in this formula. Just instead of plus y you substitute plus of minus y. So that will be 1 plus of minus 1/4 whole to the power 1 by 2. Now I've checked it in the calculator and we get exact value of root 3. Well, it's a divergent series, so you'll get big value, but if you evaluate the first few terms, you get root 3 equals 1.7322 or something like that. I don't know the numbers after this, but it is very accurate. You first evaluated the value of this, then you multiplied it with the 2. You can do the same for root 5. So that will be root 5 equals root of 4 plus 1. You take the 4 common, you get 2 root 1 plus 1 over 4. Now this is 1 plus 1 over 4 whole to the n, whole to the 1 by 2. You plug this in your calculator, and when you multiply it with 2, you approximately get 2.23 something. That is a very correct value of root 5, and generally in your day-to-day calculation you only need the first 2 digits. Maybe you're attempting a very advanced exam, you maybe need 3 or 4 digits. Usually they don't ask that, but if they do, you know how to derive it. Once again, I'm revisiting this formula. X plus y whole to the n is x to the n plus n times x to the n minus 1 times y plus n times n minus 1 times x to the n minus 2 times y squared over 2 factorial. If you don't know what's 2 factorial, it's basically 2 factorial equals 2 times 1. 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1. And so on. If you want a proper explanation for n factorial, where n is a natural number or whole number, you can ask that in the comment section and I'll give the explanation for that. But for now, you know this, and by this you can derive the value of these. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and comment any of your other doubts. If I do know them, I'll solve them. Bye.